I've got 2 pounds of chicken breast. This has rib meat still on it, and half a cup of half and half. I'm gonna be adding an entire 12-ounce bottle of this garlic Parmesan sauce. Usually used for like things like wings, but it's gonna be great in this dish today. Just go ahead and use the entire bottle. This is such a great recipe. You can like make this at lunch and be ready for dinner. A little bit of cracked salt. And some cracked pepper. Let me go ahead and dump all that chicken into that liquid. You're gonna add another half cup of half and half. You can use heavy cream if you want. That'll make this even creamier. And half a cup of Parmesan cheese. I've got a 1/4 cup measure here. So got 1. And that's a whole cup. Add some little bit of crushed red pepper flakes, just a little bit, and some parsley for color. Look at that, looks so Italian. And we're gonna top everything with an entire block of cream cheese. Just go ahead and slice it into some big wedges. It's gonna make it easier for it to all cook down. This is, like I said, 1 meal in 1 pot. It's gonna be so good. And then all you have to do is set this on low for 5 to 6 hours or on high for 3 to 4. Oh my goodness, take a look at that. Gonna go ahead and take a couple of forks, start shredding up that chicken. Oh, all those Italian, like garlic, the Parmesan, cream cheese. It just smells, it's such an Italian smelling dish. So good. And it's been cooking for so long that it just completely falls apart. Okay, that didn't take very long at all. That chicken was cooked so well that it just kind of fell apart when I started shredding it with my forks. I've got a box of bow tie pasta that I'm adding to this, a whole pound of that. And just give everything a really good mix. Make sure that all that chicken and the pasta is combined. Okay, once that's all combined, just go ahead and add just a little bit of parsley on top just to make it look really pretty. And then you can take this in the crock pot right to the potluck or serve this out on your table as is. Look at that, less mess. Some of this. And let me go ahead and do a taste test. That's really good. It's like garlicky, cheesy. That chicken is so yummy. You should totally make this. It's such an easy recipe to make. Family, I love ya.